Hey guys! Look at this hair. So fun. I haven't dressed up in ages. It looks bomb. Da da da. I'm here outside my church because we are going to be doing some serving today for ladies that are ages 80 and up, and we're going to be serving them a meal and all that kind of stuff. It's going to be fun. So I thought I would, dress up a little and make this a fancy do. So I actually ran like some curls through it, and there's a lot of hairspray. I hope it stays still. But anyway, so I got dressed up and we're here. So I have a few minutes before I go in and thought I would do a little quick update-ish. Just chime in, make another video. So things are going just okay. I'm just kind of plodding along, I'm kind of in survival mode for the most part. I'm definitely kind of like just tired of everything. I'm tired of I'm tired of struggle. I'm tired of doing all the things and not getting anywhere, and I'm just like, life is good, but I would like things to improve. It's been kind of challenging. It's been a bit hard health-wise, so I'm kind of hoping that things will, there you go, you don't need to see my steering wheel as much. So anyway, yeah, like, life is good, but could be better. I'm gonna be doing my grocery shopping trip probably tomorrow or the next day. I'm going to be doing a new meal plan, so I'm hoping to do some more recipe videos for you guys like that. And oh, something else, there's this gym in town that does weightlifting and powerlifting, and there are 4 trainers that went in on buying this gym and organizing it and all that stuff, and I think it was $50 a month for an adult. That's way cheaper than the gym, guys. So I thought, you know what, I can do that. Like, I love weightlifting, I love powerlifting, or I would love to do powerlifting. And like, long before I got sick with my multiple sclerosis, I actually wanted to do like, to get in shape and do competitions, like bikini competition or something like that, or like a fitness. And then when I got sick, like, I had to start over and then some for ages. So like, I'm still working on it, right? I'm gonna look into that this week and make a decision about it. Because I think too, working with a trainer might be super motivating, where someone can be like, okay, this is our appointment, I'm gonna meet you there, instead of relying on myself solely to get myself to the gym. Because it's kind of like with my workout DVDs, like, I'm good for a couple days and then I go, like, because 1, I've done them so many times. 2, I'm bored. 3, I'm just over it. It's not that I don't like working out or being fit. Like, I really love to feel strong, but there's just something, like, I need to do something that I've never done before, basically. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna check it out, and then I will let you guys know what I decide. I'm gonna end this part of the video, and then maybe I'll kind of do a day in the life, like what I eat or whatever. I'm fasting this morning. It's 10 to 9 in the morning, and yeah, or 8:50. And yeah, so I'm just gonna keep sipping. Like, I got some tea. Yay, caribou. Isn't that cute to see the little coffee bean in its little body? Here, maybe I'll turn around, it'll look better here. See, isn't that the cutest? Love it. So anyway, so I'm gonna fast, and I figured like this would be a great morning to get back into fasting because I'm gonna be busy. I'm gonna be greeting and serving for about an hour and all that stuff. So I figured, like, if I have that distraction, that would be good. All right, let's go. All right, guys, back home. It was a super fun morning. Loved it. It was so nice to see some ladies I haven't seen in a very long time. So I was very, very happy with that. Got in this cute little outfit. It's black. They're just picking up black, yeah. Got my leggings on. Like, life is good. Life is good. So felt kind of fun to dress up a little bit because normally I don't get to. And, well, especially with COVID years. Letting the dogs back in. COVID years, you know, there's not been events or places to go, and so felt kind of fun to get fancified. So I loved it. Anyway, it is nice to be back home though. And I'm ready to eat now. Like, I'm ready for food. So I'm gonna unpack this and get the lunch going. Okay guys, I know I mentioned making like a wrap, and then I thought, ooh, like sushi sounds really good. Last night for Valentine's Day, I spoiled my kids and made them a bunch of homemade sushi and all this other stuff. And for me, I took cauliflower rice and I blended it with some cream cheese. And that was like my rice mixture inside my sushi roll with my nori. And so I thought, you know what? I'm out of nori now, but I have these egg life wraps. So I am going to make kind of like, well, super low carb sushi. I'm going to put in some cucumber. I think I've still got some avocado in the fridge too. And I'm going to put a little bit of bang bang sauce on. So when I have whipped all this up, I'll let you know. Well, I'll show you what it looks like and then we'll do a taste test. All right guys, so sushi is ready. There it is. Doesn't that look amazing? Okay, so obviously it might not taste like your traditional sushi, but you know what? I'm okay with that. I'm willing to take, you know, I'm willing to roll with it. So, roll, mom joke. All right, so on top, I realized last night we used up all of our bang bang sauce. So sad. So I will have to get some more, but what I did is I put on some sriracha and then put on, this is so bad. You know the Wahlburger sauce? Put some of that on there too, because the combo is just legit awesome. And you could even use like Chick-fil-A sauce, like drizzle a tiny bit on there. You have to be a little bit careful because it does have some sweetness, sugar in it. But if you just drizzle like a teeny bit, you're probably okay. So here we go. New cucumber. The cucumber is so fresh. You don't even notice the cauliflower. There's no like weird taste, aftertaste or anything like that. No smell. Ooh, excuse me. Sorry about that. I got a bit of spice caught in my throat and I needed to have a coughing spell. Anyway, yeah, everything's lovely. The wrap itself is great. It holds everything together. It's not soggy or weird. It's great. It's a great, awesome deal. Now, I was thinking what other fillers I could put in here. Right now I have cucumber and avocado. You could even add fresh asparagus spears in there. You could add some like a little bit of green onion. Like, so good. Obviously, like if you have access to fresh crab or things like that, stuff that's not the imitation crab, because that has potato starch in it most times to bind it all together. So it's not really great on your macros, but yeah, I mean, there's plenty of options that you could put in here. So I am gonna go enjoy this and have some downtime, and then I have to do the mom thing and do laundry and all the other things. But I will come back and do another recipe, because tonight I'm gonna be doing like a lasagna skillet dinner, and I'm super excited about that. All right guys, turned over some laundry, got a few things done around the house, and now I'm gonna start working on, this is called Easy Pizza Casserole. So I'm not gonna zoom in too close for copyright's sake, but that's what their version looks like. So can't go wrong there, right?
It's not good. Big with day and night, but I'm fine. Trying to accept that. There you are, wherever I go in my dreams. When I lay in my bed, I can get you out of here. I just want to make you feel special. I know you never want me, cause I know your type is alright. While I'm laying inside, I just want to make you feel special. I know you never
You guys, I wanted to show you this. So this is basically like the crust. And you can see like it gets golden. It's not burnt, but you know. But the egg mixture in this makes it, see that, like, woo, little steamy. Maybe I will back up, but like zoom in. Let's use the zoom, shall we? Okay, let's get down in there. Okay, but you can see, like, it's firm. So I'm like, okay, like that's awesome. And so what you're gonna do then is put your sausage and veggie mixture on here, like already mixed in with the sauce, and put it on top. I'm actually curious about maybe putting it under the broiler for a minute just to get it a bit more firm, more crisp. I don't know, what do you guys think? I think I might give it a go and see what happens. I mean, well, yeah, let's just go. Let's just try. That did the trick. That was amazing. It definitely firmed up a bit more, and it feels more like an actual base. So yeah, like, and there's definitely a little bit of crunchy bits now. So that's kind of nice. That's kind of what I like. So now I took a jar of fire roasted diced tomatoes and I blended it up. I didn't add anything else into it, and I just gave this a good mix, and then this mixture is gonna go right on top of the base. Babe, it's not a big deal, you're not special. You're so built with that, you're special. Kind of turning out to be a bit of a longer video, guys, isn't it? Oops a daisy. I've definitely got some mess to clean up there after putting together this dinner. But you know, surprisingly, it's been a really simple meal to make, and I am all about that. If it's simple and not crazy ingredients, like, you know, sometimes you're sent on like a treasure hunt to find one ingredient that you need for this new recipe, and then they only sell it in bulk, like 2 pounds worth. I'm exaggerating, but you get it. But you only need like a pinch of it. It's like, I just needed like a dusting of this whatever ingredient, and now I don't know what to do with the rest of this spice. It's so crazy. We've all been there, right? We've all been there, and we've all just been like, ugh. Okay. Anyway, so that meal is now in the oven, and that's gonna be ready to go for when the kids are home from school and they're ready to eat. We have sports most nights, or activities I should say. And so yeah, it'll be nice just to have that ready to go, and I can just serve it and the kids can have a healthy meal. So I have some friends who make fun of me about this, about being, you know, like cooking all the time and this and that, but I'm like, I don't really want my kids to eat crap food. I just don't. And I notice that their behavior is different, their energy is different. It's not worth it to me. And in that sense, like, this is worth my time and my effort, and it's a way of investing in my kids, right? So anyway, all right, now I'm going to have myself a coffee. I'm gonna make a cold coffee and put some collagen and some creamer in it, and that is going to sustain me until dinner time. So, and then I'm going to sip away on that while I fold a lot of laundry. I got lazy, and there's like many buckets that need folding. I don't know how that happened. All right, guys, we'll see you at dinner time. All right, guys, so I don't know, dinner's kind of awkward to film for me. It just kind of is, but so we had the dinner. It tasted pretty good. I enjoyed it. I don't know that I would do the cauliflower mixture again. I think like if it was on its own without the Italian topping, I think it would have been pretty nice. But I think like the tomato kind of like went back into the egg cauliflower cheese mixture when you had to bake it again, and it just kind of changed the texture and things like that. So I don't know, like it was like delicious, but it didn't knock my socks off. It didn't woo me, and I don't know. But needless to say, it doesn't mean that I couldn't try it out and tweak it in different ways. So maybe, we'll see. Anyway, thanks so much for watching, guys. Thanks for hanging in there with me. Let me know in the comments below if you made it this far, and and just type high five. So anyway, make sure to say hey in the comments. Let me know if there's anything you want me to do a video about soon, or maybe some newer recipes. I've been thinking about maybe doing some more keto-ized recipes where you know, you can make something, a typical recipe, into something that's a bit healthier, low or no sugar, low carb, all that kind of stuff. So anyway, thanks so much, and we'll see you next time. Bye.